Hello amigos, welcome to the Mexican food channel. Today we're making this easy to make green salsa. It is a very popular salsa all over Mexico. You can have it with your tacos and favorite dishes. It doesn't take many ingredients to make this recipe. All you need is 3 garlic cloves, 13 tomatillos, white onion, salt, black pepper, and a bit of cilantro. Let's get our pot ready. We're going to add water about 2 to 3 cups, just enough to cover the tomatillos. Once the water boils, add in the tomatillos. You're going to peel and wash them before you add them in. We already did ours. Then add to the pot. Add in the garlic and the serrano peppers. If you want your salsa more spicy, you can add 2 more serranos. Cover your pot and let them cook for about 10 minutes. You can tell the ingredients are ready when they turn soft. The tomatillos will change to a dark green color. Add in all the ingredients from the pot into the blender. Then add a pinch of salt and pepper. I'm gonna add a little bit more salt. Add in your cilantro. Now lightly puree. If you want your salsa less thick, add a bit of water and blend. There you have it guys, the classic green salsa, Salsa Verde. Try this salsa out, you will no longer need the store-bought. Thank you guys for watching and see you on the next one.